Welcome to 11th class in the biology classes. Today's chapter is the structural organization in animals, which is a running chapter nowadays. So this is a respiration in earthworm. As you know that respiratory organ are no presence, and there is only by the skin they can respiration. By the skin they absorb the oxygen from surrounding the water and they excrete the carbon dioxide from the skin. So there is no special organs are available on the body. Respiratory system is a very simple in earthworm. Next is the reproduction in earthworm. Earthworm is a bisexual but cross fertilization is present due to protandrous condition. Means there is a available of male and female reproductive organ are present in a same body. So this is the structure of reproductive system of earthworm. There is a present of male reproductive organ. First of all, two pairs of testes which is a present on 10th and 11th segment. This is a testis part. This is a testis part. This is testis, and there is a testis sac also. This is a sac. Sac means a covering area of this is. So as you know that earthworm is a segmented body, so each part are available on the segment wise. Means 10th and 11th segment are shows the testis and two pairs of seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are also present in the 11th and 12th segment. This is a seminal vesicles. This is the 11th and this is the 12th part. This is a seminal vesicle and this is the testis part. Next is the vasa differentia. Vasa differentia is arises from the second segment. Second segment arises the vasa differentia. This is the vasa differentia part, which is a very long tube-like structure. And next is the prostatic glands. Prostatic glands are present on the 18th segment. Prostatic gland. This is the prostatic glands, which is the male reproductive gland, and they excrete the reproductive hormones. And next is the two male genital apertures, which is also present on the 18 segments. Genital aperture. This is genital aperture are also present. And next is the female reproductive organs are available in this body. So you know that one pair of ovaries. Ovary is the female reproductive organ which is available on the 13th segment. This is present the 30th segment. This is the funnel or duct is same thing. Oviduct, funnel. This is the funnel. This is oviduct. And female genital aperture is also present on the 14th segment. And next is the accessory gland also present on the 19th segment. So this is male and female reproductive organ are present in the same body, and tomorrow will be discussed on the fertilization system of earthworm. Okay.